Hello, and in this video I'm just going to be talking about some of the scams that seem to be running on YouTube regarding drones. Now there's one particular one, and I will try and insert bits of this advert into this video to demonstrate what I'm trying to show you.
This 80-pound high-tech drone created by two British engineers is disrupting the drone industry.
But basically what they're doing is they're claiming that this drone here is the same as a DJI Mini Pro, in that it has got collision avoidance, people tracking, return to home, 4K camera with stabilization, and all of these types of systems.
It uses some of the most advanced technology in the world that allows you to take spectacular, breathtaking, crystal clear photos and record amazing videos of yourself without using the controller
built onto it. However, this drone I paid £30.99 off of eBay, and albeit I've done a separate video on it and I'll come to my conclusions about what this drone is, it's definitely not a DJI Mini 3 substitute. These adverts are selling them at £80, and for this £80 you do get a money back guarantee, which I'm sure they will give you your money back, but I guess the scam is that some people won't be bothered to get their money back or find it too difficult, or it's just a case of keeping your money for a period of time and raising the interest on that money sitting in a specified account. So in the videos you can clearly see that this is the camera that they have on these drones. And this camera is not gimbalized, it's literally just a fixed camera that you can pivot up and down manually. There's no motorization of that, so you can't remotely do anything with this. You'll also see in these videos they actually show you this specific case ensemble.
This is a 800-pound high-tech drone.
So exactly the same equipment, exactly the same rear of the drone with a rear light here.
You can get Air-on drone for just 170 pounds.
And exactly the same controller with these fake aerials, which are clearly just bits of plastic. So for people who are looking to get into droning, then I can see why it would be very easy to be fooled. It's a very convincing advert telling you that the drone companies are making too much money, which they possibly are.
They discovered that the 800 pounds models that they once built with quality were now costing only 60 pounds to be built.
And that people that worked for the drone companies left them so that they could do the right thing and make a very cheap drone.
But 2 years ago they were fired after exposing a huge fraud set up by the new company management.
That's affordable for everyone, but yeah, the scam is for you to buy this and you're not going to be getting the product that you expect from the advert.
Capture stunning landscapes, explore the area, and immerse yourself in nature in the most unique way.
So hope this video has been useful, and hope it's avoiding people from falling into this trap. If you'd like to know more about this drone, then please click on to my channel for a full review. I'll put some footage in now so you can see why the footage from this drone is not the one shown on the adverts. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to share more content.